In this video,
we will learn how to crank 90s in Fortnite.
so in Fortnite, if you are looking forward to a 90, which is a building method people use to get up high in the air and do crazy plays, all you need to do is just firstly build up a couple of blocks of ramp. After that, you need to place a wall on top of that ramp, on the side of that ramp, and beneath that ramp, then jump and place a ramp below you. Now you will do this procedure again and continue. So by doing this fast, you can ramp up to a high place, and if you practice it quite a lot of time, you can easily do it quite fast. So this is the basic fundamental of 90, which you can use to build up to a very high place. So this is how you can easily do a 90 in Fortnite and play as you please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.